So my entire working career in the trades and now retired DIY homeowner, I've always had these open top tool bags. I've always liked them because they're easy to get what you want. You can look in here and find exactly what you need. This one here is the Tough Built M tool tote, perfect size. I had the L was too large. The M is perfect. I think they discontinued this now that they're on the Tough Built click-in system with their toolboxes. But this was my finished carpentry bag now. You know, I got nail pullers, I got little Japanese pull saws, I got some more little cat's paw here, hammer, things like that. So this was just strictly for woodworking. And then I've got the, this is the Veto OTMC. This one is my plumbing bag. I use this strictly for plumbing. I got under sink basin wrenches. I got, you know, pipe wrenches here with the resin jaws. Got your like Knipex cutters. So this one is strictly for plumbing. There again, it's all open top. Really liked it. And I've also got the, this is the Milwaukee Pack Out. About the same size as the Tech OTMC. But all of these were open top bags. So this year's under the spring promotion, I really wanted that SPMC bag they have. So I decided to try a new type of bag. I wanted the MCT Blackout. So let's take a look at that, see what options I got with it. I got some different panels to put in it. And let's see what I got in it. Hold on. Okay, so here's my Veto Tech MCT Blackout. It's the first closed top bag I've ever had. Now this does have the V-swap in it. If you look it up, these panels here actually come out. I decided I want two panels with this exact same layout. So it comes one with this and then you get one of these. This one's got the larger neoprene pockets. Some smaller pockets, a canvas pocket here, neoprene slip up here. I decided I didn't need this. Now, I kept this because, you know, you may want to put a clamp in here, different larger tools. So, you know, this could be going in, but right now, I decided I wanted mainly smaller hand tools. So on the outside here, I've got a railer pad. Now, this pad I'll use if I want to actually take it off. If I'm working on an outside unit or something like that, I'll lay it up there and I can put my screws on here. This magnet basically just stays on the bag. If I'm working, I just want to put screws here, I can leave them here. I've got the little Milwaukee light here that takes AA batteries. I've got the Stabila small level. I got a little railer bit holder here. This little bit holder. I've also got the Vera bit holder on here. I really like that Vera. And it's got a small brush. Over here I've got a little hammer. I've got the Olight, I think it's the, yeah, it's the Olight IT. It's a AAA battery, very small pen light. And I got a nail punch here. I have the Railer Allen key set here. So I don't have any Allen keys that I carry. This is it. So I got you know, I've got various bit holders in here. I could put these in. I've got of course, a pair of gloves. I got some 1-inch Weeha bits that I just keep in this outside pouch. And then I've got the little Woobin E7 light. If you never tried these, I tell you, man, these things are amazing. It's got the 13, I think it's the 13650 cell in it, which is, I've got a spare in the back, but this is a rechargeable magnetic base here. This thing is surprisingly bright. Over here I got a carpenter's pencil, and I've got the Crescent 16-inch. So that's basically it for the outside of the bag. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, the inside of the bag, let's start out with these pockets here. I've got some zip ties. This is that battery that goes to that Woobin. It's actually the 18350 battery. It goes with the Woobin. And then I got some spare double A's for that Milwaukee light. And I think that's it. Let's see, this pouch here, I got some Weeha 2-inch bits in here. Also in here is this little, if you want to hold this open, you can clip this. I haven't used that. In fact, I just got this bag. I hadn't hardly used the bag, so I don't know if it's going to come in handy or not. Okay, I'm going to start in the back left and we'll just go around. This is actually some Sawzall blades that I use with my Tough Built folding jab saw. I tell you, I really love this jab saw. Folding, it's got a great handle on it. It's easy to replace the blades. Here's my PB Swiss ratcheting screwdriver. Just a great screwdriver here. It's got your bits in the handle. Love these PB Swiss tools. And I've got the Weeha end cutters. I have got the NWS Fantastico. This is a high leverage side cutter here. Love these NWS handles also. I've got the Ideal. This is the wire stripper, but I use it more a wire stripper, and it's got a crimper. Also, you can see it's got this cross hatching on the ends here. Very wide, like a linesman plier if you need to twist wire or anything like that. It's angled. It's got your little bolt cutters here. It's a great little tool. For the regular Phillips, I've got just a Milwaukee USA made. For a beater flathead, I've got the Klein Tools. I got 2 chisels here. I got a little snap-on pry bar. I got a magnet here, magnet pickup tool. I got the Vera ratchet here, the 8009 that I bought with a set. I just took that ratchet out and I can use this with some ratchets I've got on the other side there. Here I've got PB Swiss smaller screwdrivers. I got the 1 and the 0. I got your thermostat 4-in-1 from Klein. I got the small 6-inch twin grips, 5-in-1 Purdy folding painter's tool. These are my Fiskars shears. And lastly, I got the 8-in-1 stubby with the 1/4 inch and 5/16 bit on it. Not lastly, because I do have the little stud buddy in here also, stud finder. Okay, up top I just got some little 2-inch bits. So that's that side. Let's flip it over, see what's on the other side here. Okay, let's go back over here on this little corner here. I've got the Gador 10-inch water pump pliers. I was getting ready to say Cobra, but they're water pump pliers. I tell you, I like those Gadors. For the money, you can't beat them. I've got the larger little Knipex twin grips here, the 10-inch, the original 10-inch. I got the 7 1/4 inch with the comfort handle Cobras. I got, for a side cutter or a flush cutter, I've got the Fujiya. Just a great tool. I tell you, I did a review on these. Highly impressed with these Fujiya pliers. Now, some pliers are better than others. They're really known for their nippers and side cutters. Here I've got the Hazette needle nose. It's got this little nut holding function in here, cutter, long. Great set of needle nose here. Then I've got the Hazette this is Knipex Universal Needle Nose. Smaller, you can see it's got that little hole in here with the nut holding function. Very sturdy though. This is the 145 millimeter, very small. But I tell you, man, this thing is strong. In fact, I did a review on this one also, just got it. Here in the middle, I've got the bent angle NWS needle nose, right? As you know, I love these NWS grips here. And these are just some fine needle nose pliers here. Okay, then you come over here to the 7 1/4 inch pliers wrench, Knipex, the standard handle. I've got the Knipex Cobalt in here with the spring here. And then probably my favorite pliers wrench is the Hazette 160 millimeter pliers wrench, smooth as glass. I love this. You can basically set it with one hand. Just an awesome wrench. Okay, down here now, this is my SAE socket set from Vera. It's a Cyclops. As you can see, this is the 1/4 inch set right here. It comes with the ratchet, various extensions, bit holders, full array of bits, and of course your color coded. Goes anywhere from what is that? Goes anywhere from 3/16 to a 1/2 inch. And then here is the Hazette Smart Holder. This is your metric set, and of course it's got the little bit holder, the little ratchet, and 6 of the sockets. It's got your bit holder here. What I like about this versus the Vera is you get these 2-inch bits also, along with a full array of 1-inch bits. The only thing you're not getting in here is the security Torx that come on the Vera set. And then here I've got just a regular Milwaukee Fastback, and just got some small Duralast pliers. So that's it. Now I don't have anything in this pocket. I don't think. No, I've got nothing in this pocket. I got plenty of room left in this bag. But I'll tell you, I am very, very impressed with the MCT Blackout. I can see using it, of course, when it's raining, things like that. Now this is just a basic overall bag. I got all kind of tools in here, nothing specific. But I'll be using this a lot in the future. So, hope you like that loadout. Please like and subscribe. See you next week.